Hey everyone. So I'm not going to be here Monday. This is why you're watching this video and you have a substitute in the classroom. So I wanted to kind of let you know what you're supposed to do today, Monday, March 15th, and then what we are going to do tomorrow and what you're going to need during virtual learning. So first of all, if you have not turned in your genetic disorder presentation to Google Classroom, you need to do that. Technically it is late, okay? Then after watching this video, you are going to edit the assignment for 315, and it is a 1-year pandemic reflection. So I got this from another teacher, but I think it's pretty cool. Take your time with it. Make school appropriate answers, please, and have fun. I think some of them are going to be pretty fun, like the GIFs and that's how you say it, right? Yeah, GIFs. And just other like emojis and whatever. So make it school appropriate, please. And then last thing, so tomorrow we are doing that DNA lab. I put it off and I still wanted you to do it, so I made packets for you to take home with all the supplies that you need. So in the back of the room on the blue table is a box. You are going to take one of the bags. Okay? So take the bag home, be careful not to break anything, and then I will explain Tuesday during our Google Meet what we are doing. So you should probably take your book home for this virtual learning. Take your notes, even though we're starting a new chapter, but take your notes or your binder, whatever you have, your folder. Take that home. Don't forget to pick up the bag in the back. You might even want to get it now and keep it with your stuff so you don't forget. And yeah, I think that's all you're going to need. Okay, so sorry I'm not here today. I don't have a babysitter, so I couldn't really cancel my plans anyways. But you guys are great. I know you'll be fine. See you virtually on Tuesday.